First time I saw you, sunlight in your hair, a spark in your eyes like nobody else could compare. You made me feel alive like a wildfire in my soul. Thought I'd found the missing half, finally feeling whole. But every sweet word had a hidden sting, a puppet on your strings dancing to your whim. All the way you made me feel like I could touch the sky. But the lies you spun so real left me wanting to kind. A beautiful poison, perfect bitter art. Let the feeling hate the way you broke my heart. Remember tangled nights, whispers in the dark. Believed every promise, left my soul with your mark. You painted my world in colors I've never seen. But behind the vibrant canvas, a cold and cruel machine. Each compliment a chain binding me to you. Your master plan unfolded, nothing I could do. Oh, the way you made me feel like I could touch the sky. But the lies you spun so real left me wanting to die. A beautiful poison, a perfect bitter eye. Let the I tried to break free, but your grip was too strong. Lost in the illusion, where did I go wrong? Now I see the patterns, the games you always played. The love was a mirage, a cruel masquerade. Oh, the way you made me feel like I could touch the sky. But the lies you spun so real left me wanting to die. A beautiful poison, a perfect bitter art. Love the feeling, hated the way you broke my heart. Love the feeling, hate you broke my heart. My heart, hated the way you broke my heart.
I've been walking through the silence with the weight of yesterday. Every shadow had a question, every dream had slipped away. But somewhere in the darkness, there was still a little light, like a whisper in the distance, calling me back to life. And I don't know where the road will go, but I know I'm not the same. Every scar became a doorway, every loss became a flame. Still I rise, still I breathe through the storm inside of me. When the night tries to steal my sky, lift my eyes. Still I rise, still I stand. Still I believe there is more than what I see. Even when it feels cold as ice, I come alive, still I rise. There were days I felt forgotten, like a song without a name, but the heart keeps on remembering what the mind tries to erase. Now I'm stronger in the breaking, I'm more honest in the pain. I found freedom in surrender and the courage to begin again. And I don't need to run anymore from the pieces of my past. I can hold them like a blessing. I was built to last. Still I rise, still I breathe through the storm inside of me. When the night tries to steal my sky, I lift my eyes, still I rise. Still I stand, still I believe there is more than what I see. Even when the world feels cold as ice, I come alive, still I rise. Let the rain fall down, let the thunder roll. I have found my ground, I have found my soul. If I lose my way, I will trust the light. Every ending fades into a new sunrise. Still alive, still I breathe. There's a fire inside of me. When the night tries to steal my sky, I lift my eyes, still I rise. Still I stand, still I believe I am more than history. From the ashes, from the sacrifice, I come alive, still alive. Still I rise, still I rise. From the dark into the light, still I rise.